And it's broken again. Not really, but as you can see, it is dirty. That's what about an hour of driving on Canadian roads in the middle of winter does to your truck. It makes it look like you've never washed it a day in its life. So that's fun, you gotta wash your vehicle all the time. Anyways, I'll just show you what's going on. So today I was just on Facebook. I'm part of a couple Cummins forums and a Fummins forum and stuff. I forget what group it was on, but someone said their truck's not accelerating as good as it was, and they think it's their Fass because it's making a different noise than I guess his previously was. So he put a video out with the post, and it sounds exactly like my Fass. Like, kind of like surges. And now that you think of it, it does kind of sound like there could be air in there. And this guy, I read a couple comments, and everyone says, yes, it's definitely air intrusion in your Fass. So mine's been like that since it was installed, I believe. At least I haven't noticed the change. So I'll let you guys hear it, and you professionals can let me know what you think. If it is air intrusion, it should be looked into, obviously. But I haven't, the truck performs fine as it is, but hopefully you can hear that, but you can hear like a surge. From what I can tell, I think it's supposed to be more even and not as like pulsing. So could be air getting in. Everyone says it's probably just the hose from the tank to the Fass itself. So I guess if that is the case, I haven't noticed a leak on the floor either. So you would think it wouldn't leak when it's driving, but maybe when you stop it, it would leak. That's my theory. But also, I'll just add this in. We were on vacation for 2 weeks, so the truck wasn't used for 2 weeks. And normally I drive it like, it never sits for more than a day or two between use. It never has a problem starting. But in a heated barn, I went to start it after 2 weeks, and it did need a sniff of ether to get started because I guess there was no fuel there, which tells me air did get in the system somewhere. So let me know what you think. I need help.